In this question, you have to identify now which type of pollination or flowers requires attractants and rewards. Option A, entomophily. Now, entomophily refers to pollination by insects, and attractants like bright colored flowers, different patterns, and scents are very important for attracting insects. And rewards such as nectar and pollen serve as an incentive for the insects to visit the flowers again and again, thus facilitating pollination. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, hydrophily. Now, this is incorrect because hydrophily involves pollination through water. So, they do not require any attractants like bright color or scent, nor they require rewards like nectar. Option C, cleistogamy. This is also incorrect because it refers to self-pollination that occurs in closed flowers. Option D, anemophily. It is also incorrect because anemophily refers to pollination by wind. And wind pollinated plants, they produce large quantities of lightweight pollen, but they do not attract pollinators or provide rewards.